everybody, and turn it back into the video. Man, it's hot as fuck. Shit. Anyways, today I'm gonna be changing my fuel pump. So I got it from AutoZone. It was $9, and then you also need this fuel line disconnect tool. Yeah, and maybe a bucket. You might need a drain bucket to rinse on the fuel. Yeah, that's pretty much all you need, man. It shouldn't take too long. That's what they all say. But anyways, the reason why you might need to change it, I don't know if your car is like hesitating and stuff like that. If you're having problem accelerating, your car like jerky and stuff, your fuel filter could be clogged. I don't really have any other symptoms, to be honest, and I probably don't need it, but you know, it's a nice day. I decided to, you know what, why not just do it? You know what I'm saying? And it's cheap, you know. So anyways, I'll show you what to do, man. First thing you gotta do, you gotta take this bottom part out. So because since you're walking with a fuel system, you gotta, you know, and there's pressure in it, obviously, so we gotta make sure we relieve all that pressure, because if you try to take off the filter without, you know, relieving the pressure, it's just gonna spray fuel everywhere. So, and obviously we don't want that. So you should be able to just pop this like that. And on the other side, just pop it like that. So yeah, and I don't want to pull it out all the way because it has all that connections for heater sits. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. And then this is the panel for, this is where the fuse relay is. So I'm not sure. I think it's this one. I think it might be this one. I'm not sure. Hold on. So I'll finally get, so this one right here. That's the fuel pump relay. I should be able to just pull that out. Get it. Okay, can't do one. Oh shit. I should stop. Anyways, this is the one. I'm pretty sure this is it. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna try to start it. See. If it starts up, then obviously I put up the wrong one, but we'll see. I'm gonna try to start it. Alright, I got a key. Phone break. Alright. God damn. Alright, so obviously it died, so that's obviously the right one. Shit. So I'm gonna crank it again just to make sure there's no fuel. Alright, we're good. You don't gotta keep cranking it, but yeah, so the pressure should be out, and now I'm gonna get to the actual work. Alright, so yeah, that's the right one. Just gonna leave that to the side. Oh man, some of this trash. I need to clean this, man. Damn. Anyways, that's an issue. Anyways, the fuel pump. I said the fuel pump. The fuel filter is somewhere here. This is the passenger side rear. So obviously we're gonna need to jack it up, put it on stands. You're gonna need a wrench. I'm not sure what size, but I'll show you when I start it. But anyways, I'm gonna jack this car up now and get back to y'all. I already got jack stands up there. Got on the frame. I also put the jack here just to support in case the jack stand fails. You know, you never want to just shit. Oh, that was good. You don't want to do it without using the jack stand. So yeah. Anyways. God damn, that's awful. Well, anyways, this is the fuel pump. I said, why do I keep calling it fuel pump? It's a fuel filter right here. The tool lines you gotta disconnect for the with that tool. And you gotta take out this bolt. I don't know what size this is, but yeah, let's get to it, man. I want to take this one out first. Yeah. Guys, shit, not gonna lie to you, man. You know what it keeps saying, quick and easy. I'm not gonna lie, it's not difficult, man. But you're definitely gonna need some kind of eye protection for sure. And then you're gonna need some gloves, because obviously, even though I relieved the pressure, I mean, look how much fuel still came out, you know. So, but yeah, so you know, there's this. See this connector right here? That's a 17 millimeter wrench, and then you're gonna need a 21 to hold this one right here, because if you just try to use the 17 to loosen that one, the whole thing's just gonna spin. So use the 21 to hold this while you loosen that one up there, and then this line should just come off. That's the one that goes to the engine. And then this other two, you need the disconnect pin tool, and pretty much the way you use it, you just take the smaller part like this, and you know what, let me take it out and I'll show you how to do it. It's kind of hard at this angle, so. Alright, back at it. Alright. Shit. Alright, come on. Come on. Damn, what's this? It's a bitch. Alright. Wait. Man, I already got it out. You kidding me? And I've been struggling this whole time. Man. Oof. So yeah, I already got it out. My dumbass, I actually disconnected the line a long time ago, but I was just fighting it for no reason. But yeah, that's old one. Oh, I didn't get a thumbnail real quick, man. Shit. Get a thumbnail real quick. But anyways, put it like this. Yeah. All right. But yeah, that's the old one, man. So, oh, one more thing I gotta show y'all. Oh shit. So there's a little this bracket that holds it in there. You're gonna have to like push it in from this side to push it out because the filter kind of sits. God damn, this still spraying out fuel. Well, the filter sits in there, so you're gonna have to push it from here and push it out the back. So but yeah, because I couldn't find a way to actually remove this. I don't even know if this comes off. So that's what we're going to get out of there. So the way to put it back, literally just slide this in and just click in the these two things. You just click in place and then tighten that thing back. Let's see if I can figure out this here. Alright. Damn, bro, that's a way going on. So, yeah, when you're done, like I said, you actually gotta slide the filter in first, and then you connect the two. Just pop it in, and then obviously you want to tighten this back. I don't know if there's a torque spec. I just hand tighten it, and Yeah. Well, oh shit. Not gonna lie, that took me a lot longer than it should have. So yeah, first thing you do before you jack the car down, you want to put the relay back in. I don't even know how this goes. Shit. Alright. I'll figure it out. Let's see. Is it this way? Alright. So I'll put a relay back in. This is a very weird angle. Alright. And before you put everything back in, start it up. Check for leaks. Yeah. Alright. Where's my key? Alright, my key's already there. I want to sit in it. Yeah, I don't see no leaks. So yeah, obviously when you crank it, it might take a little bit. Make sure. Yep, no leaks. Shit, I'm sure that. So what am I trying to say? So yeah, obviously the way you try to crank it, for some reason I don't know how to, because most cars you can just turn the key on to prime the system, but I don't know how to do that. So we'll take a little bit of time to crank to build up all that fuel pressure again. Once it starts, while the car's still jacked up, look under, make sure there's no leaks. And one thing I forgot to mention, there's a little O-ring on the fuel line, the one that goes to the engine. There's a little O-ring in there. You'll see it when you take it out. Make sure you put that O-ring back. You should probably even replace it if you know, while you're there. Obviously I use the same old one and it's not leaking, so you don't have to replace it, but nothing wrong with replacing that. Well, yeah, that's how I do it. It took me a little bit longer because obviously it's my first time. So, but now that I know what to do, I also do this again. It shouldn't take me as long, but it's pretty. It's a little messy, you know. Make sure you get a bucket and everything. I got fuel on my hands, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, man. So, like, subscribe. I'm out, man. See you on the next one.